How can I locate the reset button on my ADT doorbell camera?
Hello, welcome to our tutorial. Today, we're going to discuss a common issue faced by many ADT doorbell camera users, locating the reset button. Don't worry if you've been having trouble with this. We're here to guide you every step of the way.
What is a doorbell camera reset?
A reset is a process where the doorbell camera is returned to its factory default settings. This often solves any software problems that the device might be experiencing. You might need to reset your camera if it's not functioning correctly or if you want to clear any personalized settings.
Where is the reset button located?
The location of the reset button may vary depending on the model of your ADT doorbell camera. However, most of the time, the reset button can be found on the body of the camera, often on the back or the bottom side. It's usually a small, indented button that can't be pressed accidentally.
How to use the reset button?
Once you locate the reset button, you can reset your ADT doorbell camera following these steps. 1. Press and hold the reset button. You may need a pin or a paperclip to do this due to the button's small size. 2. Continue to hold the button until the device's LED indicator begins to flash. Usually this will take about 10 to 15 seconds. 3. Release the button, and the device will start the reset process. This can take a couple of minutes. Please remember, after the reset, you will need to reconfigure your device settings since the reset will clear any configurations made after purchase. That's it. Now you know where the reset button is located on your ADT doorbell camera and how to use it. We hope this video has been helpful for you. If you have any more questions about your ADT doorbell camera, feel free to ask. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.